from topmost left corner to right. Again, top to left to right, top to bottom. Okay. Now see what happens. Once again, I'll tell you. One second. Let me connect pen tab. Ha. Look here, ma. Everyone. So yeah. Yeah. Now I am going to share the screen. Now it will be visible to you. Now check once. Is it visible to you? Yes. No. रुको जरा. Now check once. Is it visible? Good. Now see, everyone look here. So the point is test scenarios writing process or writing test scenarios. Writing test scenarios. First, we should have to understand. I told you we should have to follow the template. What is meant by template? Template means what? Format. What is that? Format. For example, I want to take the attendance of each and every student. So how I can take attendance? I should have to follow some format. So which format I will follow here? First I'll write serial number, then student name, student roll number. Getting me? So this is what we called it as format. Same way, if you want to write test scenarios, we should have to follow the format. So what is this format, sir? First we'll be having test scenario ID. Then what is that? I told you test scenario description, or we can say test scenario. Then related page or link or document. So what is my first test scenario? One. Scenario name. So how I can write the test scenario? You know the application. What is our application? See, I'll draw the so here I will draw that. Here you will be having logo of Swag Labs. Here you will be having username text field. Here you will be having password text field. And here we have login button. Getting me? So the first one, very first time I will write here. What I can write? Test scenario 001. 1 second. See. This is our page, for example. So this is our logo. This is username, password, login button. Now look here. So test scenario 001. What is the name of test scenario? Tell me. Test for what? Very good. You can write verify or you can write test for URL of application. What is the URL? Which URL? Valid or invalid? Valid. So related link. What is our related page? For which page we are writing? Login page. So I'll write login page. Tell me next scenario. Test scenario number 002. Now tell me. Test for invalid URL of application. Not visible. Low. Why it is not visible? Guys, is it visible for you whiteboard? Good. So the next test for invalid URL. So again, which page we should have to discuss? We are writing about login page. Now the third one. Test scenario 003. Okay. Now, what is the test scenario we should have to write here? Tell me. Yes. What we can check? Think over it. What is your application is here? How many elements are there? First element is. So can I write like this? Test for logo of application. This is high level description. See, where should be the logo, like where the logo will be located, that we can write under test case. Okay. Next, again it is login page. Next, test scenario 004. Tell me. That three things comes under login panel. What is that? So can I write like this? Test for UI of login panel. Again, login page. UI means user interface. Next, test scenario 005. Login panel means it should contain username, password, and login button. We are not entering values. Now I will write here test for login functionality. Panel is different. Panel means whether we have username box, password box, login button or not. Test for login functionality with valid login page. Next, last one. Test scenario. This is positive test case. Sorry, positive scenario. Now this is. So what I can write? Test the login functionality with invalid credentials. Understanding? Did you understand? So these are what? So do one thing. So make this. So write in your notebook like this. Then I will tell you how to write in Excel. So let us write in notebook first. Done? Okay, fine. See how we can write. See how we can write the scenarios in Excel sheet. That we should have to discuss. Is it done? Can I remove this? Okay, fine. Very good. See guys, you should have to open Excel now. EXEL. So search for Excel in your laptop. See, first you will be having blank workbook. What is this? Blank. What is the meaning of blank here? Empty workbook. The moment if I click on that one, then what happens here? It will show like this. It will show like this. So what is our first one? What is our first one? Yes, what is that? Test scenario ID. Okay. If you want to make it as a bold, you can make. Select it, bold it. Second one. What is second one? Test scenario. Very good. Okay. What is third one? Ah, related page or link or document. Okay. Now see, look here, everyone. What I want to do here, sir, once you write this, it will be looking like this. So move your cursor over here. See, here is it visible? Is it visible? Bar, bar, bar. Is it moving there? So go to this B section, hold one, see, hold left click and move to right side. Move to right side, move to right side. It will come here. Is it creating space for you? Yes, we can do double click also. It will go. Same way, sir, again I want to do for this one. So go there. Fine. Now I want to make the bold. Select it. Bold it. Even select it. Bold it. If you want to change the color, go there. Select the color. Give the color, red color. Go there. Give red color. Go there. No need to do all these colorings and all. Okay. Now see. Next, what we should have to do. What we should have to do. Oh, it is not visible to you. 1 second. This one, no? नहीं, हो जाएगा. Now see. Done. Now what is your test scenario ID? Telangana State TS 001. Any problem? So what is our first test scenario? Test for valid URL of application. Any problem? Online team. Guys, is it visible to you? Wait. Who is that guy? H. Yeah, wait. I will share my screen now. Now check once. Now, is it visible to you? Hello? 1 second. Is it visible to you? Yes. Okay, fine. So I'll create one. It's not opening new sheet, no? Okay, fine. No issue. Look here, everyone. See, once you open Excel sheet, initially I'll tell you what happens. Once you open Excel sheet, EXEL, you will be having blank workbook. What is this? Blank workbook. So click on the blank workbook. Is it visible to you? Yes, everyone. Yeah. So here in A section under A, I am writing test scenario ID. Second one under B, what is that? Test scenario, or else I am writing in the caps test scenario. Again, next under C, what is third one? What is third one? Related link or page. Sir, it is overlapping, sir. See, move your cursor. See, where is my cursor? Here, no. Move your cursor over A. Hold left click, shift to right. Like this. So, this is my test scenario ID. Move your cursor over B. Hold left click. This is my test scenario. And third one, go there. This is my related page or link. Any problem? Result column for each scenario. Which result? Scenario. For scenario, no any result. Nothing is there. Okay. For test case, pass fail results are there. Okay. Now look here. Now see. So for first one, so I'll make it as see. So I will bold it so that it should be visible properly. I will bold it. I will bold it. Okay. If you want to give the color, Aram say you can feel the color. Now tell me, what is our first scenario? Yes. Test scenario 001. What is this? Verify or test for valid URL of application anta. What is this? Related to which page it is? Any problem? Any problem? No. So whatever the test cases we are writing here, that are all related to what? Login page. Understanding? Good. Now second one. What is second one? Test scenario 002. What is second scenario? Tell me, online team. Test for. Okay, fine. Test for invalid URL of. So which page it is? Understanding? Next, test scenario. What is that? Test for. Sir, why you are writing test for? You can write verify also. Verify valid URL of application. Verify invalid URL of application. Verify logo of application. In that way also we can write. Okay. So test for. Next. Next test scenario. What is this? Test for UI of login panel. What is that? UI of login panel. Next. 005. What is that? Test for. Very good. Login functionality with which credentials? So with valid credentials. Understanding. Next. 006. What is that? Test for invalid. Sorry. Login functionality with invalid credentials. Understanding? Next, anything else? No. Now, did you understand? Getting me? So, this is what we called it as the scenarios. But, sir, see, I'm telling you related to one page. So, you can take any page. First, what are the rules for scenarios? Starts from topmost left corner to right. Top to. Can I go right to left? Can I go bottom to top? No. So don't forget these rules. Very simple, dead easy. Okay. Fine. So everyone do this one. Open your laptop. At least practice this. Okay. Open your laptop. Anyone is having? So when you will bring the laptop? Here in manual, no need of laptop. Again, I'm telling you, but for automation, laptop is mandatory. Once we have started with Java, see, what is the date today? Uh, 14 August. So you should have to like 14, 15, 16. So what is the day on 21st August? On Wednesday we'll start. So arrange your laptop till 21st, 21. See what happens? What happens? See, if I teach you Java without any laptop, it means you are entering in the jungle. You will be having everything. You have gun but don't have bullets. Then what you will do? What you will do? Will you kill with bullet? Will you kill with gun to the tigers? No. So the same situation. So what is mandatory? Laptop is mandatory. See, while taking laptop, see, don't take HDD wala, Purana. 256 SSD is mandatory. I'll write here. Configurations, I'll write. See. So did you clear everyone? If possible, you can take a new laptop. If it is not possible, then I'll tell you. Okay, fine. No issue. So I want to write here, but where is my whiteboard? See, 1 second, it's loading. See, laptop configurations. First thing, processor, then memory, then disk. Processor i3 also fine, i5 also fine, 7 also fine. No issue. Memory, RAM 4 GB, or else if it is 2 GB, fine, but speed will be very less. Then disk, hard disk drive, SSD. So you can take only this one, don't take HDD. Sir, I have already laptop. Look here. Again, I'm telling you. Already you will be having laptop. But it is having SSD. Sorry, HDD. Then what I can do, sir? So what you should have to do, replace it by SSD. For 256, they'll take near about 15 to 1800. Replace it. Okay. Then what happens? Your speed of processing increases. What is the symbol of this? Increases. So take this one. In market, if you take older one, used laptops, then you will get near about 20 to 25 in between this range. If you want new, now we'll be having Raksha Bandhan cell. So 38K to till 45. Normal range. Yes, even HP, Dell, even Lenovo also fine. Sir, I have Asus. Yes, no problem. Very good. Sir, I have Mac. Yes, no issue. But try to use Windows. Like which operating system? Why, sir? Because I'm teaching here on Windows. Okay. For Linux, even for Mac OS, the things are very different. Did you understand? So, did you understand the configurations? Everyone? Yeah, Ryzen also fine. No issue. i3, i5 or Ryzen 3, Ryzen 5, Ryzen 7. You know, the speed of Ryzen 3. The speed of Ryzen 3 is equivalent to i5. Okay. I think you are getting even AMD graphics there over. Fine. So did you understand? Good, good. Yes, Ryzen 3 is good. No issue. So what is our last deadline? So on 21/08/2024, I will start with Java. If possible, I will start before also, but this is our deadline. Okay. So please arrange, please arrange. Okay, good. Chalo, next. So this is what we called it as test scenarios. Take the photo of this one. Take the photo. Now look here. Harshita. नहीं स्क्रीन तो शेयर ही है. Screen. Guys, my screen is visible to everyone. White screen. White board. हुसैन भाई स्क्रीन तो है. No, no, sir. व्हाइट बोर्ड चले जाता. हाँ सर, ये इसमें एक ही प्रॉब्लम है. वेबएक्स में दो अपन एट अ टाइम यूज नहीं कर सकते. सो मुझे वही निकालना होगा. इसको स्टॉप कर दो. इसको स्टॉप कर दो. अभी यहीं से ऐसा हो रहा. शेयर होने को भी काफी टाइम लग रहा. So done. Wait for 1 minute. Ha. Yes. Now see. So the next one is writing what? Test cases. Good. Writing test cases. Can you please tell me what is the meaning of test cases writing? First of all, tell me what is test case. If someone asks you what is test case, you should have to tell it is condition for functionality. What is this? It is condition for functionality. Okay, sir. No problem. Even we can define it as in detailed description about functionality. In detailed description about functionality. Now see, look here. Even if you want to write test cases, you should have to follow the template. What you should have to follow? Template. Template is also called as again format. Template is also called as format. Now see, it is also called as sometimes syntax. I'll tell you what is meant by syntax. We'll discuss in detail in Java. Okay. Now see how I can write. What is the template for test cases writing? Same way, as I told you, we can write test scenarios on the basis of what? Requirements. On the basis of requirements, what we will write? Scenarios. On the basis of scenarios, what we will write? Good. Test cases. Sir, what they will ask in the, like what they will ask in interview, they'll ask you one question, which is very important. What is difference between Adi, test scenario and test cases? See guys, whenever my screen is not visible, please let me know. Drop the message in WhatsApp group. See what is the problem? I'll tell you. Look here. For example, this is my whiteboard. Okay. Now I want to share the screen, for example. 1 second. Here, the biggest drawback of WebEx is we can't share both the things at a time. If I want to share the whiteboard, I should have to click here, then here. Is it visible to you? Start new whiteboard. So the moment if I share the screen of my laptop, then what happens? That whiteboard is going, look here. Once you start sharing, Ankush whiteboard will stop. Do you want to continue? Did you understand? It means simultaneously both processes are not possible. So if you are not, see, if the screen is not visible to you, please let me know. Sometimes what happens in Zoom, what happens if I share the screen, in that screen, I should have to share even whiteboard also. Here that facility is not there. If I continue, see whiteboard is gone. Getting me? Again, if I want to share the whiteboard, again what I should have to do? Stop this. Again go there. Again click on this. So even I am getting some confusion. Okay. So please understand. Good, good. No issue. Ha. See? Fine. So did you understand what is meant by test case? So first of all, we should have to understand user stories. On the basis of that, we'll write scenarios. Then on the basis of scenarios, we can write test cases. So the most important questions from STLC, I'll tell you guys. They will ask you first one, STLC process. It means what are the, like how many stages are there and all. Then they will ask you test plan document means what? Actual testing is started on the basis of test plan document. Harshita Potanna has raised hand. See, you are raising hand. What is your question? Chart here. If you raise the hand, where is that girl? Haritana. Harshita, what is your problem? Yes. Any issues? Ha. Harshita, any issues? Hello. Okay. So the next they will ask you what are test scenarios for some object like water bottle. Then they will ask for lift also in interview. Whatever the things are there, no, in front of them on the table. So there may be the chances even for table. Sometimes for girls, they'll ask about washing machine. Pen is there. So for this, they'll ask what? Test scenarios. How you can write test scenarios for water bottle? Okay, put the heading. Scenarios for water bottle. We'll finish it. Now I am going to share my screen. I think it is there in our notes. Let me check first. It is there, no? Yeah, even I will share with you scenarios and test cases documents. Don't worry. See, yeah, test scenarios for which bottle? Water bottle. Okay. Now, what is the first test scenario? Verify cap either sealed or not. Verify capacity of water bottle. Verify purity of not water bottle, water. Then see, verify design and color comes under which test case? UI, user interface. Yes. Then verify company label. This also UI. Verify reusable or use and throw. Functionality. Verify quality of water bottle. UI. Verify manufacturing date and price. UI. Capacity of water bottle. Performance. Yes. Copy this fast. Yeah, is it done, ma? Fine. Next, freshers, you can by heart it. Okay. So they'll ask you suddenly, so you should have to tell all the scenarios properly. See, functionality means that will be related to the functionality of bottle. Okay. Then user interface means that is related to look and appearance. Understanding me? Label, why we can write? For bottle, we can write the label. For why? What is the reason? For identification purpose, for look and feel. Purity of water comes under functionality. Capacity of water, functionality. Water's functionality is to store, yes, performance and functionality. Then verify company label, UI. Okay, now verify reusable or use and throw, functionality. That's what. Next, scenarios for pen. Now look here, verify the type of pen. You know, different types of pens are there. One is point pen, second one is ink pen, third one is gel pen. Then verify if pen is with cap or without cap, means button pens, you know. In my childhood, the pens were like two side. They'll open. See, if I write here, it will throw blue line or blue color. Backside, red color. So like that, nowadays that pens are not visible in the market. Fine. Sir, once tell what is that only. Not asking this, no. They are asking for freshers, not for experience. Right for pen 2. Last time, how many peoples have done with the screen? Not for your batch. Last batch, like a screening test, they have qualified. Some students went for VT lab, VT lab soft solutions. They have asked them the scenarios for lift, negative scenarios for lift. Done. Is it done? Is it done? Verify if pen is with cap or see. Verify click operation. Verify grip whether it is comfort or not. Do you know one rule? What is the shape of pen? Hmm? Cylindrical, correct? So not only the pen. See, what is this? This is the cable. It is also cylindrical. This cable also cylindrical. Tube light also cylindrical. Rod of fan also cylindrical. Uh, See, most that one also cylindrical. This latch is visible. Look towards the door. Latch also cylindrical. This also cylindrical. See why most of the instrument in the nature are cylindrically by nature. Cylindrically by shape. I need answer. Huh? Scroll back. Take the photo. Yes. Why most of the instruments are cylindrically by the shape in the nature? Huh? They have volume. For others, don't have volume. Huh? You are very clever students. I am expecting from you. Please. Huh? Yes. Rajkumar. नहीं. Huh? Easy to use and handle. Other materials also easy to use. There is one scientific reason. That is also correct. They are easy to handle, easy to catch. Okay. Easy to hold also. Aram se we can hold the pen in our fingers. If the pen is like this, so how I can write? Am I right or wrong? So shape matters a lot. Right for lift. Not easy to handle. There is one reason. Find search on Google. What is the question? Why most of the instruments are cylindrical in shape? Yeah. Yeah, this they have told. Yes, correct only. Yes. Kirosha Chetty, correct only. But there is one scientific reason behind it. Think over it. You know the answer. Again, I'm telling you. Ah, maybe you are getting this much answer, no? No. Getting? Cause less injury because no sharpness. Yeah. We don't want to kill to anyone. See, look here. I'll tell you. Boss, you can take any cylindrical shape. Whatever the instruments are there in cylindrical by nature, they requires less number of amount to manufacture it. So that नहीं so that चॉक पीस बनाना है तो चॉक पीस को कितना मटेरियल लगेगा अगर सिलेंड्रिकल शेप में है सी chalk piece is in cylindrical no so it requires less amount of material to manufacture it as compared to other shapes. Getting me? Okay, fine, no issue. Done. Done. See, verify the type of door. Type of door means manual or automatic. Verify capacity, lift capacity. Lift is there means we should have to enter some specific persons 10, 15, 5 like that. Verify speed in between every flow. Have you seen? From first zeroth floor to first, it will go with constant velocity, constant speed. 2 to 3, constant. 3 to 4, constant. Have you seen it will accelerate? 0 to 1 fast, again 2 to 3, very slow. Again 4 to 5, very slow. 5 to 6, very fast. Have you seen? No. Then verify buttons outside and inside working or not properly. If I click on second digit, then where it will go? Second floor. If it is going to top floor, that is the bug. Verify intimations. What is that? Intimations. What are the intimations are there? We should have to close the door. Then verify power supply is there or not. If power supply is not there in the lift in the sense that is under maintenance. That is under maintenance. Verify display floor numbers or not. Verify emergency alarm or not. That is very important. And verify light and fan facility. Functionality is available or not. Getting me? Good. Next. Right for washing machine. Right for washing machine. Do you know washing machine how it will work? Anyone? How it will work? It will work in clockwise. It will rotate in clockwise as well as anti-clockwise. So during this rotation, you will get one sound from that one. What is that noise? From where it is coming? Centrifugal force. Again, you know escalators. You know Xerox machine. So whichever machine we are using in escalators and Xerox machine, same machine is there inside your washing machine. So that is called as stepper motor. What is that? Which motor? Stepper motor. So what is the use of stepper motor? Stepper motor will rotate by 1.8 degree. See 1.8 degree, 1.8 degree. Clockwise as well as anti-clockwise direction. Okay. So that whenever it is rotating, it will generate some losses. Okay. So that losses will be what we can say, we will get it as a sound, the form of sound. So here in washing machine we'll be having stepper motors. I think it is done in your BTech stepper motor controller using 8085 microprocessor, 8051 microcontroller. How many of you are from EC? Electric engineers, electrical engineers, current voltage. No one. I will not ask anything. Tell me how many of you are. I know that how you have passed your engineering. No need to tell. See, done. Is it done? Okay, fine. Can I ask one question related to this washing machine? Have you ever observed through washing machine, collars are there? No. It will not clean the collars. Why? क्यों? क्यों? हाँ. Why? Okay, forget about it. Earlier, these washing machines were not there. Still, our mothers, how they did the work? Uh-huh. Yes, they used to follow hot water. Which water? Why? At that time, there was no, what is that? Surf excel, something are there? No. No powders, nothing. What happens due to hot water? It will take immediately all the dust from the holes which are present on the cloths. Why? Why it will not go with cold water? Why they are using hot water? Uh, नहीं होता है वो stiff. नहीं होता है. उसके पीछे केमिस्ट्री नहीं है, उसके पीछे फिजिक्स है. That too surface tension, you know. Whenever temperature increases, at that time the liquid surface area of liquid goes on increases. इसलिए while we are eating hot things, you know, non-vegetarian peoples, even while taking the soups, what happens? If it is cold, can we take? Forget about that chai. If it is cold, can we drink? Why? Taste is not there. Taste will eliminate. It means whenever it is in hot state, then only test is there. Whenever it is hot, what happens? Just now I told you, surface area of liquid increases. It means it will spread immediately on your tongue. So immediately you will feel the taste. Understanding me? Cold is there means taste will not eliminate. Taste is there, but it will not feel immediately. Understanding? समझे? क्या समझे? कुछ भी नहीं समझे. Fine. Okay, no issue. So the next one is test cases designing. I will show you. Look here. Again, see, there is the template. Here I have written all the test cases related to Swag Labs. I think 56 test cases. Standard format I will show you first. Even we have scenarios. See, what is the test case template? What is there? Test case ID. Then module name. For which module I am writing? Test scenario ID. What is test scenario number 1? Valid URL of application should be, we should have to test. See, what is the objective of this test case? Valid URL of application should be accessible by. Now you can write in that way also. That is your choice. Enter valid URL in browser and verify user should navigate to login page or not. Then what is prerequisite? It is also called as precondition. What is that? If you want to do this, if you want to like check this functionality, what is mandatory? Browser must be open. Very good. Next, test data must be available. Then steps to follow. Enter valid URL in address bar. It means in browser. Don't take footage. I will send you the PDF. Don't worry. Then press enter key. Click on that search bar. Then what is the test data? Test data means valid URL. What is your valid URL, ma? https:// www.saucedemo.com. Understanding? Okay. Next, expected result. What should be happens because of it? User should navigate to which page? Login page. Very good. Next, look here. Finally, these two are there. No, expected, actual, expected result, actual result, and status. This will comes under these 3 stages. 1, 2, 3 comes under execution process. What is that? Test execution process. What is meant by test execution process? Here we will test or we can check expected and actual results are matching or not. If they are matching, then test case is pass. Otherwise, test case is fail. So this comes under, these 3 sections comes under test execution process. Now, second, you know that. What is our second test case? Test case number 2, again same module, test scenario 2, not 1. Smoke test. See, invalid URL of application should not accessible by. It means if we enter any invalid URL, then user should not navigate to source or Swag Labs or source demo. See what we are entering here, only demo, not source. It means wrong URL. What is that? So it should not. So what it should display? Swag Lab application homepage should not open. So here actual result status. These 3 things will test under execution. Now third one. Third one is related to logo, no? See, test case number 3, again login module, UI test. I told you, logo, even colors, that comes under what? User interface. Valid Swag Labs logo should be available where? At the center of the page. Rajkumar, hello, look here. At the center of the page. See, but in scenario, what we have written? Overall description, test for logo of application. But here in detail, I am mentioning what I am mentioning, even the position. So what I am writing here, valid Swag Labs logo should be available at the center of the page. Again, what is precondition? Swag Lab application must be open. Steps to follow. Observe the login page for logo. Test data. Here you can write the spelling of that logo. What is the spelling? Swag Labs. Then expected result. Logo should be available at the center of the page with correct spelling, font, format, color also. Even color also. So this expected actual status we will discuss. Tomorrow holiday is there or not? Aha, very good question. Yes, holiday is there. Hey, Pakka, they have stick there, no? Holiday is there, no? Have you seen? Go and see there. Go here. Watch on the wall. Wait, guys. Wait. I'll inform you. Even I will share with you all the documents. See, here we have test scenario template also, RTM template, test execution process, execution report template. But organization to organization, these may vary. It will changes. है क्या? है क्या? हाँ. Yes, guys, you will be having holiday tomorrow. And as usual, your class is there on Friday. Okay. Chalo. Thank you. Any questions? No. Holiday is there, appa. We are in India, no? Chalo. Thank you very much. And please arrange the laptops, ma everyone. So on 21st, I'm going to start with Java. It's very easy, dead easy. Chalo. Thank you very much.